Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to check spelling and grammar in Microsoft Word. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Microsoft Word, select the File tab up in the top left, go down and select Options on the left panel here, and select Proofing on the left side. On the right side, you want to go down to where it says check spelling as you type, as well as mark grammar errors as you type and frequently confused words. Check grammar with spelling, make sure all of them are check marked. And then once you're done with that, you go ahead and select OK. And that's pretty much it. And if you want to perform a quick spell check, you can go ahead and select the Review tab and select where it says Spelling and Grammar. Go ahead and left click on that, and it'll go ahead and run a manual spell check of your Word document and see if there's any issues it detects. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.